Hi guys, welcome back to another beautiful video. Today's video is all about how to exfoliate your lips. Well, before I begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more and more DIY tips. Exfoliating your lips keeps them feeling good and looking healthy. But it's important to know how to exfoliate your lips properly so that you don't cause any damage. The damage or dryness on your lips may be because of weather conditions, example UV radiation from sun or cold, incorrect care or stress. You should exfoliate your lips once or twice a week to maintain soft, supple and healthy look. What are the reasons to exfoliate our lips? To remove dry skin, to keep lip moist, to make your lipstick look better and stay for a longer time, to maintain lips soft and smooth. Exfoliating your lips can prevent dehydration, which may cause swelling, dryness, etc. To make homemade lip scrub, all you need is 2 ingredients from your kitchen. Yes, only 2 ingredients, that is sugar and honey. Without any further ado, let's see how to scrub your lips.
Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 2 teaspoons of sugar. Massage the mixture into your lips and leave it for 10 minutes. Sugar is an effective natural exfoliant. When mixed with honey, it becomes a great moisturizing lip scrub. After 5 minutes, rinse off with lukewarm water. Apply your favorite lip balm to moisturize.
Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more interesting videos. See you on next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Keep smiling.